Russian forces' slow advances are continuing in the east of Ukraine, but Vladimir Putin's tanks are still a favorite prey for Ukrainian military. Now Ukraine's 10th Mountain Assault Brigade blew up 2 Russian tanks hiding among trees. A tank which appears to be a Russian one takes cover among some trees somewhere in Ukraine, as can be seen from these images. Then a drone appears to be flying towards the tank before smoke can be seen rising into the air after it was apparently hit. A projectile then seems to hit the forested area, felling a tree. There are other explosions before a tank can be seen reversing out of the wooded area while billowing smoke after apparently being hit. It then appears to be hit again, with a large explosion causing smoke to rise from the tank, which is now on fire. It can be seen continuing to move before the footage cuts and shows what appears to be a second tank burning among some trees after having apparently been hit by Ukrainian ordnance as the footage ends. The footage was obtained from the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Ground Forces on Sunday, July 3, along with a somewhat humorous statement saying, "Despite the downed missiles and the destroyed Russian manpower, our guys love to destroy the Orchestan army's equipment. Today, it's the turn of 2 tanks with stew inside. One of their soldiers successfully made it to our guys. He was complaining about the lack of organization and the indifference in the Russian army. We gave him food and our doctors helped him. Had to mention, now we have one more conscious Rusky." Orchestan is understood to be a humorous, fictional land populated by orcs, as the Ukrainian military regularly refer to the Russian invaders as orcs. The 10th Mountain Assault Brigade was formed in 2015 and has seen considerable action in the Donbas region of eastern Ukraine. Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. July 4 marks the 131st day of the invasion. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that between February 24 and July 4, Russia had lost about 36,200 personnel, 1,589 tanks, 3,754 armored combat vehicles, 804 artillery units, 246 multiple launch rocket systems, 105 air defense systems, 217 warplanes, 187 helicopters, 658 drones, 144 cruise missiles, 15 warships, 2,629 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, and 65 units of special equipment. Russia has said that it has captured the eastern Ukrainian city of Lysychansk in the Syeverodonetsk rayon of the Luhansk Oblast region. This has now also been confirmed by Ukraine's military, who said they had withdrawn their troops from the city after heavy fighting in order to preserve the lives of the defenders. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has said that Ukrainian forces would retake the city thanks to the increase in the supply of modern weapons. The fall of Lysychansk comes just over a week after the nearby city of Syeverodonetsk fell to the Russians. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.